Hey my munchkins, it's me Carla, and today I'm back with another video, and today I haven't posted for a long time, so I'm sorry. And today, if you're wondering why I have napkins here, it's because we're going to be making slime! It's about time because I've been waiting for this video to be made, so I'm finally going to make this video making slime. So the first, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, hold on. What in the world? Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need, sorry about that, that's my mom's phone. So, yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to move you guys back, but I can't. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is laundry detergent, any kind, just make sure it's laundry detergent. You need some eye drops, doesn't matter what kind. You need some Elmer's glue, and a bowl, and something to mix with, so I'm using the end of this pen. So let's get started. So we're going to get our bowl, and if it's wet, I just washed it because I've been making slime all day yesterday to test them out, and it worked. Just dry your plate like that, and this is a recent slime that I made. So yeah, let's get started and make this slime. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your glue. Put the amount you want to be for your slime to be. I'm only going to make a little bit because I don't want to make a lot. Okay, come for your glue, and mine looks like this right now. I wish you guys could I could lift you guys up, but I can't, and that glue was so close. Okay, next you're going to get your eye drops, and you're going to put 3 drops of eye drops. That's how many I use. If you need more, you could obviously put more. I'm sorry. This won't open. Open. Okay, there. Alright. It's gonna go 1, 2, 3. So that's how much I put. So now you're just gonna mix it. This is how it looks like right now. I'm going to mix it. And every time I make slime, it doesn't work. But trust me, I tested this out already. That's how I made this slime. I tested it out already, and it works. So when that's mixed, all completely mixed good, you're going to get your laundry detergent. And you're going to, oh my gosh. This is all over the place, and I do not want it to be all over the place. So I'm going to clean it. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So you're going to put not a lot of detergent, but not too little detergent. So we're going to put that aside because I don't want it to fall. So this is the color of mine. You can add food coloring if needed or if wanted. So I'm just going to add little by little and mix. So mine's already starting to make. I'll show you guys how I'm doing it. So if you need more, add more. So you're just going to keep mixing till it's the consistency that you want. Hold on, I'll show you guys. Let me just get the chunk. The slime, see? It's working! The first time I've ever made that works. I've been making a lot yesterday because I was testing it. Obviously, you have to test it. So now I'm just going to keep mixing. And if it's not sticking to, if the slime in the background is not sticking, then add more detergent. Now it's sticking. I'll show you guys. Hold on. It's so hard to mix. Add more detergent if needed. Just keep adding detergent. It's technically what makes it less sticky. Oh, jeez. So yeah, I'll come back to you when it's all mixed up. Okay guys, so this is my slime right now, and it wasn't working that much, so I added 2 more drops of eye drops, and it all started sticking to each other. So that's good. It's really hard to mix though. Like, no joke. So hard to mix. Ugh. I have a big chunk. The slime is not that sticky, kind of. It's a little bit sticky. Comment down below if you guys know how to make slime. Comment down below what makes it not sticky anymore. Cause like I've been trying to look up videos and it's like I don't have those supplies. Like I need borax, but I don't have borax, so. It was too sticky, I guess. Add more laundry detergent. Just add a little tiny bit, not a lot. Just that much. Oh my gosh, I have a mess. It does sound gross at first. Wait, hold on. Let me just put another napkin under this because I'm making a mess. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so keep on mixing. If you keep on mixing and mixing and mixing, it'll start gathering up from the bowl. As you guys can see right here. It's not that sticky. Like, if I touch it, it's not that sticky. Keep adding detergent, but just a teeny tiny bit. Don't add a chunk of it, because if you add like a whole, like, I don't know, if you add a lot, it's not going to work. So just add a little bit. So yeah. Just going to keep mixing and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done mixing. Okay guys, so mine is sticky and it's actually good now. As you guys can see. It's way too sticky though. So, oh no. No! No, oh it's good. Okay. So it's really sticky and I think I need to add more laundry detergent. I tried it with the eye drops, but the eye drops made it way more stickier. I added 4 more drops of eye drops, and it actually made it way more stickier. So add, some, laundry detergent. And it's actually going to work, trust me. Mix it with your finger right now. Oh yeah, it did, look. It's so slimy. So to keep mixing and mixing. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm done mixing. Okay guys, so I literally just finished mixing and this is your slime. So cool and fun to play with. It is a little bit sticky, but like it doesn't stick to you that much. So like, look. As long as you get away from it fast, like seriously. See? Okay. So if your slime is like still sticky or didn't turn out the way you wanted it to turn out, then I think you use not the right supplies. So soft. It's not soft, but it's slimy. Like literally. This smells delicious. I don't even know what made it smell delicious. You guys like that bubbly sound that it makes, right? I like let it like stay. Here's my other slime that I made. Hold on. Let me just clean my hands. So when I was like knead it too, guys, knead it. And I'm gonna show you guys one of my slimes that I made. Oh jeez, no. So I'll show you guys that in a few seconds. This is one that I have, another slime. If you guys want me to make more slime videos, That came down way too fast. I mean, it came up way too fast. So yeah, that's your slime. Oh, that's good. That was just getting huge. Thumbnail. That's so cool. So yeah, that's my slime. My lit slime, guys, right? Oh, so wait a couple days and it'll stop being sticky. Like, seriously, I'm not even joking. Look, wait. This is the one that I made yesterday. This is the one I made yesterday. And it's literally, oh shoot. Other slime got stuck in my hand. Okay. It does get stuck to your hand sometimes, but it's lit. It's okay. Okay. Sticky situation right now. But just wait a few days. Maybe it'll stop getting sticky. Stop being sticky, but because I just waited one day for this one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye, Munchkins.